Okay guys, this is a G25 2011 Infiniti G25. I hear some noises coming from the front. Not sure if they're right or left. I already changed the right wheel bearing. I hear some noises around 50-60 miles an hour, like car vibration, something weird. So today we're gonna go ahead and show you how to replace the left side wheel bearing. I'm going to jack up the car a little bit. They have a spot for the jack under. Take out the front wheels and start from there. Okay guys, wheel is out. The rotor is out. Caliper very heavy. We gotta, with the bungee cord, somehow attach it so it doesn't pull this cable a lot. And then we're ready to pull the wheel bearing out. I got the socket already. Use only 4 bolts. Just pay attention in the direction of this plate. You may get confused. I was touching, moving this, but I have a feeling that it's the wheel bearing. It doesn't sound too good. It doesn't wiggle or anything. You know, hopefully it's this, because it's not good when you're driving and you hear noises coming out from your car. Man, it's really hot today. Wow. I'm sweating like a horse. At least we got some shade here. This is one of my first videos. I just want to give you a hand because I couldn't find so many videos of this. I'm gonna tell you, because when you're looking for the part on eBay or auto parts, they have two different types of wheel bearings. So we have for the 4x4, like 4-wheel drive, and we got the wheel bearing for the 2-wheel drive. It is this one. I look underneath before I order, like what kind of, how it looks from the back, right? And it looks like this. So I was looking to get something similar, because some of them, they have a hole in the middle and they have something else. Remember, this has to have the holes for the ABS. That's where we're gonna take off also. Pay good attention to these are 10 millimeters nut bolt. That's for ABS sensor, and it has to match with one of these holes. I take a look later. All right, 4 bolts, 17-inch from the wheel bearing, 17-inch socket, and for the caliper it is 22. Okay, so I have to turn the steering wheel to the right and to the left to get the bottom, because it is very narrow here. Okay, something to mention: if you have a long socket, it will only work for the top, but for the bottom bolts you will need a short 17. That's gonna make your life a little easier. So this is not gonna come like just like that. So we have this good boy here, good helper. Start marking out little by little to the outside. Take your time, don't hit it too hard, it will come up sometime. Alright, so little by little it came out. I'm gonna use a wire brush to clean a little bit here, this area. Maybe sandpaper, use a little bit just to take a rust out. It will help you for the next time, because this come out probably already 70,000 miles. You should replace this. It has some grinding noise. I think could be a reason. Hopefully this is the wow, I just forgot something. I forgot to take the ABS plug. Okay, looks like to take it out the wheel bearing is no problem, but to put it in, yeah, we gotta take it out because the holes is bigger. But on the OEM, the other side, it was very only just the spots. So yeah, I forgot to take that out. Hope I'm lucky I didn't damage, because I don't know how much that cost. All right, so we bolted in. I don't know if you can see, but when you put it on, you have to check there is the hole for the ABS sensor. If you just come, okay, this is not, it's not coming all the way, so it is not there yet, right? Don't forget to put this. Sometimes you forgot and don't put this out, you have to take that out again. And this is how it looks like. Okay, because there is no easy job. They say that's gonna take 30 minutes and that's it. This guy looks like come from manufacturer issues. They did this part not aligned to the wheel sensor, the ABS sensor, so I have to cut more to this side to make it fit to ABS sensor. I'm gonna use the mortar tool. See if I can make a little bit wider that part. So let's do it. All right, so this is what I have to do. I have to open this wider a little bit more so we can have access to the ABS sensor to plug it in. Let's see how it works. So yeah, if you're planning to do something, say okay, it's gonna take only 30 minutes. Don't plan too much on that time, because you never know what is gonna come up doing this kind of job. Like any job, you never know. So it's better to have some times, do things quiet, slowly, and try to do the best. Okay, wheel bearings on, 4 bolts ready. Almost done. So got the rotor. Yeah, the rotor are really heavy. Rotor. Be careful when you turn the steering wheel. Don't press the brake, because the brake is not on. It's a reminder. Free reminder. And you have wire brush, clean you bolts a little bit, and then that's it. We're ready to mount this caliper. It is very heavy. Yes, it is. Alright. Let's get the first bolt on. I will say this job is probably taking me about 2 hours. Don't take too long, but because of the inconvenience of the wheel bearing, the fault is from the manufacturer. And did a good job. Patience, guys, patience. Okay guys, caliper on, everything is on, the plate, wheel bearing is finished. It's gonna finish up mounting the wheel, and let's go for a test drive. Okay people, currently doing the test drive. Awesome. I put it up to 60, 70. Oh my god, that's a 9-day change how it handles now. Okay, so we can say this problem was solved. The problem was the wheel bearing noise starting from 40, and as you claim on speed, the noise will also rise. So if you have those symptoms, pretty much 90% it will be the wheel bearing. I check everything and everything looks on place. So wheel bearing, man, it drives like a new car right now. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like the video. It's not the best quality. I am not an expert doing this, but I try to help, give you a hand. Thank you so much.